Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Areeba drawing tutorials. Today I am drawing a village scenery, so let's draw. Here I am using a 6HB pencil and a scale. You can use any pencil or scale you are comfortable with. You can use a marker or you can use a 2HB or a simple pencil. That's with you. There are no restrictions because these are beginners drawings and there are no any restrictions. So first of all I am drawing some little houses just like this. Take out your pencil and paper and draw with me. I have drawn two houses and now I am drawing a tree over the house and a banana tree over the other house, just like this. I hope you like my drawings and don't forget to comment. I will surely give response to each and every comment and I would love to read your comments and how my drawing is and what should I improve for you and what should I draw for you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, visit my other videos, all with voiceover tutorials. Okay, so on the left side also I'm drawing some houses just like this, as it's a village, so there are many houses and trees in it. Thanks for being on my video. I have noticed that many of viewers of my channel are from Bangladesh, India, Indonesia and Pakistan. I thank you all for being on my video and from learning me, and I will improve more for you people. So don't forget to comment to let me know from where and from which country you are watching my drawing. So on the left side I have drawn two houses and a tree just like this. Now using the scale I'm drawing a straight line in the background. And furthermore, I am drawing the bushes on that line in the background. Our scenery is just about to be completed, so stay with me. Now I am drawing a zigzag line on both sides parallel to each other to show the river in between the village. The river is done and now we are heading towards other things in the scenery like the grass. Now drawing the birds in the sky and it's done.